Damn, it's cold. It's so cold in my house. It'll be 1 year next month. It'll be 1 year next month. Oh my God. I cannot believe that. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy. A whole year?
Gemini, yeah, one queen, two sides, one mate, who side, yeah, whole time, you a whole vibe, we can both shine, my Gemini, ride.
What up, y'all? It's Myricia La'Rease, and I am back for a new video, finally. Welcome to my space, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're gonna talk about my locks again. And there's lint in my hair. Do y'all see it? I see it. So today is July 27th, so that means on the 30th of this month will be 11 months since I've been locked. 11 months. 11 months. I can't believe it's almost been a year. Like I was supposed to do my 9-month lock update and then a 10-month lock update, but life happens. Y'all know, with this pandemic and everything going on, shit just don't go as planned. So 11 months locked, and I will say 11 months feels so much different than 6 months. So if y'all haven't seen my 6-month lock update, go ahead and find it. But yeah, like 11 months locked. So let's get into it. My hair holds so much more lint now than it did before, and you would think that it would hold more lint like as it's going through the locking process and as your hair is trying to mat and get all, you know, I thought that's where most of the lint came from, but no, but nah. Now that my hair is getting all dense and like thick and like unbendable, if that makes sense, like it's trapping every piece of lint that it can get. And I'm gonna apologize now, because I'm sure when I'm doing the slow-mos and showing y'all what my hair looks like, y'all gonna see some lint. I'm still only retwisting once a month, washing once a month. I added my shells, y'all see that? I got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. It's 5 of them in here. 5 of them. 5 of them. 5 of them. And I love them. They're cute. They add, like, I didn't want to do too much. I want to do lock sprinkles so bad, you know, the little jewels that you put in the end of your locks. I wanted to do those so bad, but I feel like my hair is not mature enough. Excuse me. Yeah, I feel like my hair is not mature enough for the lock sprinkles yet, because if you can see, although my locks like look like locks now, that's another thing too. There's no question. I get compliments when I'm out now, like people in the stores are, oh, I love your locks, your hair is so pretty. Yeah, they locks now, you know what I'm saying? Although they have matured a lot and there's not just like little pieces of budding now, my whole, like the whole lock is a bud up until the ends. So usually when you do lock sprinkles, you put them at the very ends of your locks, and they add a little something. I can't do that yet because I still have little curls, and the ends of my locks are not not all of them are blunted out. So I want to keep that too. I love having the curly ends at the end of my lock. I'm slowly but surely like watching them disappear, and it's hurting me. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm sad. But I was even questioning too, like if I was gonna be one of those people that once my locks are mature, I take, you know, the rat tail comb and like pick out the end of my lock and make it that curl. But like, I don't know, I really just want to leave my hair to do what it wants to do. I feel like even after, you know, I hit like that 5-year mark, maybe I'll still have some curly ends just because the pieces in the front like this, like, can you see that? I don't know. I don't think that's ever gonna, well, maybe it might. Who knows? Overall though, my hair is a lot thicker. It is definitely a lot coarser, meaning like the texture of it feels rougher. Like my hair is not so spongy anymore. It's more like, what's a step up from a sponge? I don't know. They're harder. They're harder in like places like this. Like, oh my God. Like I just run my hands through my hair and I'll squeeze and be like, dang, like why is it so hard right here? But it's amazing. Like look what hair can do, y'all. Yeah, I was telling my man the other day, like from back when I 3 months locked, you know, in the early stages, I would sit there and just play in my hair all day long. And I do this. I twirl my, can you see? I'm like twirling my lock around my finger like that, right? Before, my lock would kind of just hug my finger and, you know, try to stay wrapped. But now it's like if I don't hold, I'm trying to show y'all. It's like if I don't hold it, it won't, like, it's hard to explain. Y'all can see it though, right? Like, and then when I bend certain parts of my locks, like, it's just, there's so much density in them now, and they're so full, they're so, I love my hair more than I ever have. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, my loose natural hair, amazing. I loved my loose natural hair, but of course it had its downsides. With my locks, I feel like I get the best of both worlds. Like, I still get to play in my roots. Like, if I go, you know, if I go a couple months without a retwist, I still can feel my roots and remember what my loose natural hair feels like. I have this one piece over here that I have not twisted. It's like a soft twist now. Y'all, I don't never lay my edges in my, like, I don't. I don't do that. I used to be real into like laying my edges. I don't do that no more. You know, I'll brush them every now and then, but I love having just like my hair and not having not having to worry about like swoops. I love the swoops. They're so cute, but I don't feel like doing that all the time, you know? But anyway, back to this little piece right here. This is, can y'all see it? It's a little section of hair. It is big enough to be a lock on its own, but I keep combing it out. I want this little piece right here just to be, and it's grown a lot. When I first locked my hair, this was probably, it stopped probably like right here, but now it's like down to my neck. And in the shower, I comb it with my, you know, comb it out with my fingers, and then I twist it back up. But this is me saving like that loose natural hair feeling. Like, if I ever want to just play in my hair, I got a little piece, I could do that, you know? But for 11 months, man, I feel like my hair is really mature. I'm gonna probably look back at this video in the next year and a half and be like, ha, you thought. I feel so good. I'm so happy with everything that my hair is doing. The length, oh yeah, let's talk about some length, okay? 6 months. I went back and rewatched that video. Seriously, if y'all haven't seen it, go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. I went back and looked at my 6-month lock update video, and even the ones in the front, the pieces in the front, they didn't look this low. Like, they didn't look this long. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, maybe it's just me. My hair feels like it's falling differently, like all over the place. It's getting heavier. I don't know. I'm just so grateful for the thickness and like, ew, wow. See, that's be doing that a lot too. I'm so used to this little side part. My loose natural hair, this was my side. It's my side that I, you know, and I still wear my locks like this sometimes, but I like having it just in the middle. I need to get used to that. Having it in the middle, because look, it's like it just, I don't know, it's so much cuter to me. It's all cute. I mean, it's all cute, but length is great. Oh yeah, I still have not done my lock count video, but I made my mind up, being that I wasn't able to do the videos the way that I wanted to with the 3 month, 6 month, 9 month, and then the 12 month. What I'm gonna do is, this video is gonna come up obviously, and then for my 1 year lock anniversary, I'm gonna just count my locks. What y'all think? I'm gonna just count my locks. If y'all ready to see me count my locks, and you really, if you just as curious as me and you wanna know how many locks that I have, hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up so that I know you wanna know how many locks I got. I still have not colored my hair, but my ends are getting lighter. Like, you can see over here, I don't know, it might be the sun. It's gotta be the sun. I can't think of nothing else it would be. Always so much lighter than the rest of my hair, which is fine too. I don't mind that. See, look at the lint. Take more lint. I definitely do plan to color my hair though. I just don't know when or how. I'm on the ropes, like, between just doing like my whole head specific color, or literally just going in and doing my ends, like probably about halfway down my lock. But still, we'll see. I don't know. I am so grateful for like this and just the health and the length and everything. Like, my hair, it has not given me any problems, like none. I'm not dealing with any problems. I'm still not tying my hair up. I should be. I really should be. But now, instead of one satin pillowcase, we got two. So we get a little better. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I ain't really got too much more to say. I really want y'all to stick around though, so y'all can see how many locks I have, because I really want to know, like seriously. And I'm kind of mad at myself for not counting before, but it's okay. It was meant to happen like this. See, because now I got a video to make for my 1-year lock anniversary. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe so you can see some more of my face. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I guess that's it, man. No, it ain't. Thank you. Like, really? Hold up. Let me take a... If you are a returning subscriber and you made it to the end of this video and you really be watching my videos all the way through, like, leave me a comment so that I know. Like, I really appreciate y'all. Y'all have no idea. I know so many people that literally just be skipping through people's videos. I'm one of them people that will sit and watch the whole thing. I watch through and through. Like, through and through. So, if you a real one like me, leave me a comment and let me know. I really appreciate y'all's time. Thank you for coming into my space and spending some time with me. It means a lot. It means so much. We are trying to make it to 10K by Christmas Day. So for real, go and subscribe. It's free. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
But I am chasing a twin that would rather chase a career if it's love. I respect you as just. Can't accept what you say when you don't say what you does. And I ain't saying nor do I care who is there when I'm not. I'm just saying I truly care how you carry your heart.